Okay, so once we have designed everything, by the way, I'm not going into the detailing of this release. I think you know that the bracing should be released at both ends because they are pinned connection. Okay, and the column I have modeled it as pinned column. There is no need to provide moment. And here if we look into the plan, right? So by the way, I have here provided bracing in all direction, right? Here you can see here the bracing has been provided in all direction. Why? Simply to ensure the structure is rigid enough. Okay, because the deflection criteria in vertical as well as in horizontal direction is very less. Okay, it's only 50 micron. So that is why you have to make sure your structure is rigid enough. And in the plan also, here you can see here I have provided a plan bracing arrangement at the two end, right? So in this direction along the x our force is going to be applied, dynamic force, or the piston is going to be move along this x axis. That is why I have provided the bracing, plan bracing in this manner. Okay, so don't consider this one, right? This is dummy. Okay, so this bracing is dummy just to transfer the dynamic load. Okay, so our modeling has been completed and plan bracing, vertical bracing arrangement has also been completed. If we talk about the section, yes, I have used which type of section? Let's go to the property tab. Yeah, this columns has been used 300 HB, and all the planned beam has been used as 250, and bracing has been used as WB 250, right? Okay,